Hi everybody, this is Stephen Peter coming to you from the Body Holiday. So I hope you're doing good. I hope everyone's staying safe. And I'm going to bring you something that you can't get right now, but we're going to try our best to make sure that you're still happy and you're still part of the Body Holiday family. So we're going to do a drink called the Lucian Spritz, which was a drink was created by a local mixologist named Martina from the Pavilion Bar. So she created this drink because a lot of you have been asking for the Aperol Spritz, which is a drink that is popular in the UK, but we don't really have Aperol here. So she came up with the idea to just do it with Campari, because seeing from the same family, she decided to do the Campari and make a Lucian version of it. Even though I know you're saying that Campari is Italian, but we drink more Campari down here than Italians. So that's why we call it the Lucian Spritz. All right? So I'm going to walk you through the steps of making it so you can do it at home. It's going to be very easy. It's not complicated at all. It's something that we do all the time. A lot of you see me make it, and it's a drink that's going to be, I know, a family favorite. All right, let's go. So, firstly, you're going to do 1.5 ounces, well, 2 ounces of Campari. It's going to be the more popular, more potent part. And it's going to bring the bitterness to the cocktail, seeing that Campari is a bitter liqueur. We're going to add 1 ounce of orange liqueur. Bring a little sweetness and a little of the orange flavor. All right, so now we're going to just add our ice. Now, the more ice the better, the more ice the better. This is a drink that you need chilled, and you want it a little bit diluted, because a lot of people, like, you have the ice, and a lot of you have cooked ice, really proper ice. As you can see, it won't dilute as fast, especially the amount of ice I put in this. All right, so there we go. I'm going to give it a little stir. Something that you can do it in any glass at home. It doesn't have to be a glass like this. It doesn't have to be any. Cooked ice is the best ice. I wouldn't lie. It's better to have cooked ice, like ice that is really extra cold. So like real block ice. You stir for till you start getting the glass real chilled. Maybe just for a minute or so. Okay. Taste. All right. Consistency is good. It's nice, perfect flavors, and perfect chillness. So, next thing you do, you take a glass, you fill that up with ice. That should do it. I don't want to fill it up too much, a little halfway. And then, easy does it. Now, you don't have to use the equipment I'm using. You don't have to go out and buy this equipment. This is not something that's mandatory. It looks good, but that's not mandatory, right? Okay, so next, you squeeze lime. Normally, the Aperol Spritz will call for orange, but since it's a Lucian Spritz, lime is more popular down here, so that's why we're going to use the limes. And you don't want to mix up the drinks, like stir it up in it. You just want that flavor, as soon as you get it, the zest on your mouth, all right? On the palate. All right, so now we're going to open up the Cava sparkling wine. Now, the only thing is I'm here for a while, so bear with me. How much of you miss that flavor? A little extra. Then there's not really a real measurement on how much you put in this, so according to your taste. So we just normally do top up until, like, you watch the glass and you say, okay, that's enough. All right? We're going to use some sparkling water and just pour it up. And there we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lucian Spritz. Okay, there you have it. Hope you enjoy. And I'm looking forward to seeing you when this is all said and done. Just always remember, together we are stronger. Cheers.